First thing we're gonna do for our pops is make a simple syrup. The secret for creamy fruit pops is organic sugar, guys. That's gonna keep them without crystallizing. It's delicious. So I'm going to dissolve a cup of organic sugar in a cup of water and stir it until it's dissolved, and that's it. We're simply going to stir this until it's dissolved and let it cook a couple minutes and turn it off. I am using mango pulp from Goya for these paletas. You can go ahead, obviously, and blend mangoes. There's a lot of them right now. Blend them with a little bit of water and then strain them so that you get all the little strings are gone. These I find at the Hispanic supermarket here, and I find it easier to make. I'm just being lazy, guys. But yeah, this is pure mango puree. So this package is a 14 ounce, 397 gram of pulp, and it's 1.5 cups, guys. I'm going to want you to taste your mango and see how sweet it is before you add any syrup to it, okay? This is sweet, but you're gonna want your pops to be extra sweet before they freeze because they will lose sweetness as they freeze, okay? All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of lime zest in here. Not too much. We just want that vibrance in there. We don't want it to get bitter. And I'm gonna add the juice of that lime. I'm gonna pour some of that syrup that we made, but you know, not all of it. I'm just gonna pour maybe a 1/4 cup and taste it and see if it needs more. This you can keep in a jar in the refrigerator for weeks and use it for, you know, lemonades, iced teas, so it won't go bad. So I'm gonna taste it again. Just gonna add a tiny bit more. So we're gonna call that about a 1/3 cup, okay? I'm gonna add another lime to this, guys. That lime was little. I just wanted to have a little more lime flavor to it. So I'm going to use Mexican chili seasoning. You can use Tajin. I found this one is Cielito. It's the same thing basically, but it's made with árbol chiles. It's a little spicier. But you can use regular chili, powdered chili, if you can't find any of these things, okay? I'm also going to use chamoy. I'm gonna add some of that chili in here. So this has salt and chili, so it's gonna give it a hint of salt. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit at the bottom of each one of my molds. Like that. And guys, I'm gonna drizzle the chamoy on the sides. Like drizzle it like that. And then we'll fill it up with the mango. So it looks like this. I'm going to mix that bottom a little bit with a chopstick. Oh yeah. So that's what this is looking like. All right, I'm gonna finish this with all of them. Guys, if you're wondering what chamoy is a fruit pulp, which is sweet and sour and salty at the same time. I use it for making micheladas. I use it, you know, you can drizzle it on fruit. It's really quite special. It's very good. All right, we're going to put the sticks in here and we're gonna freeze this until tomorrow, and I will see you. Let's check these out, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? I'm just gonna put this under some running water and we'll unmold it and taste it. Oh, look at that. Oh, yummy. Mmm. This is sweet and tangy and a little salty and a little spicy all at the same time. If you've ever had those Mexican candies, that's exactly what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. Really nice. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.